Guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I release a video like this, you'll be among the first to get notified. This is your guy Crypto Ambassador. I make videos on crypto related issues and how to make money online. All right, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your mnemonics to the Bitgate, to the exchange. So Mnemonic is launching on two exchanges for now, which are the Gate.io and the MEXC. All right, that's MEX. All right, so the connection starts today. So I want to walk you through on how to go about it. If you don't have the Gate exchange, you'll find the link in the description of this video to sign up so that you'll be able to do the connection. All right, so stay with me while I walk you through on how to go about it. Remember, the connection starts from today, being 12th of November down to 17th, so don't miss out. All right, so the next thing you should do is to click on withdraw to exchange and select. So this is what we have here, Gate.io, which is the only one available for now. MEX will be available from 15th to 17th. So you can only withdraw 50% of your total balance or total airdrop. That is 50% you can only withdraw. So you'll be clicking on add Gate.io. So it will ask you if you have it or you've not, if you've created it or you don't have. Then you click on yes, I have it. All right, so it will be asking you for your Get UID, all right, and the Nemo deposit address with the memo. Don't forget the memo is also required. So I will be going to my Get exchange to get these details. Just follow me. All right, guys, I'm already on my Gate exchange. So the next thing I should be doing is to click on this deposit, then on chain deposit, and search for Nemo, MN. All right, so this is it. Okay, you can see the coin already added to Get. You click on it. All right, so this is the address they are asking you for. You copy down, go back on that deposit address you paste, then go back and get your memo. Copy your memo because they are launching under Ton network. You paste it here, then your Get UID. This is how you get that one. You go back at the top here under profile. That is where you are going to get it. So let's look out for it. All right, so this is my UID. You can see it over there. You tap to copy, then come back and paste it. That is all you need to do, and click on send. All right, this exchange account information cannot be connected. Right, Gates cannot be connected. I don't know why it is saying so. All right, guys, someone just advised me to use VPN. I just switched on my VPN. So let's try adding the exchange again. All right, so this is it. Let's try it. Go back to my Gate to copy. All right, so paste deposit address. Don't forget Nemo. Okay, and copy the address and paste. Go back and copy your memo and paste. here, then click on send. Let's try again. All right, it worked. So if you are having issues connecting your Gate Exchange to your Mnemonics Telegram, kindly turn on your VPN and use your VPN to do the connection. It will work out. All right, so if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so and share. Check the description of this video for my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, join my WhatsApp group. You'll see every details there. So for more updates, guys, thank you and peace out.